Have as many good cuts on a dairy cow. We from a local company called Mindful Meats, and they sell exclusively to a lot of restaurants in the Bay Area.
Yeah,
and then,
yeah.
a local grocery store called Oliver is
不会啦，它不会跑出来，会关起来。
And we actually compare these to a baby pig. So even though they look really big and they weigh, they start out weighing 70 pounds. But check that out. It's like dinner, right? Delicious.
요这个我到处去看到。
No, maybe you drink full fat. It is. It's better for you. You're gonna get.
你看这是光了。
Yes. You gotta squeeze.
几个位？
你比较喜欢哪里？你喜欢这里还是我家还是西边？还是哪里？哦，
哇！
So literally, it's inside this metal. If you put your finger in there, it'll just squeeze and let go, just like our hand would. From the normal parlor, it's much easier to lose your pressure of the vacuum because it's a portable machine. It's a little harder to put it on. And the milk parlor is much easier.
Wow! Wow! Yeah, you're better off hiring
The machine, yeah.
Yes.
My hand is no good.
旁边那个。
That's a lot. Wow, that is a lot of milk.
So I told you, she is like a rock star.
It's like the cows that watch the cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, inside the road. Hey.
Hello. 哇，你们在干嘛？
在休息。
超幸福哎！
而且我们还有食物可以吃。
哎呦，好棒哦！
来，你干嘛？
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. Okay. Let's go find mommy.
Hello, Charity. What are you doing?
I am picking
You're picking what?
apple.
You're picking apples? Wow. Very good.
小女孩在卖，她就说是我收的，我采收的，所以很好，她就应该是，可是我
他说有得奖哎。
有得奖，对，哦，真的，好不好？她去有得奖，你看，她也没让你试试，
大家都讲的，
叫舒展奇人就好了，
好像小伟在跟他谈。你的是我的，我的也是我的。
对呀、那些是 Hannah 采的耶，所以一人一半呢，好不好 Charity？ 嗯，可以吗？一人半了哈，好不好？嗯，可以吗？
这是亲爱的。